Hello guys, today I'm going to be giving away a RadioLink F121 FPV drone kit to express our thanks for your support to RadioLink, which means one of you can get a free F121 FPV drone kit if you follow the requirements in this video. Let's unbox the gift first. It comes with a bag with total 14 pieces in one set. And there are some cables and accessories and instruction manual. An F121 drone with small size, it can provide stable flying experience for both beginners and drone masters in different flight modes. It is also very safe for user with unique high-strength carbon fiber fuselage and the propellers protector, which makes the drone anti-collision and anti-rusting and provides safe flight protection for drones and users. It is equipped with image transmission system, which integrates a 800 TVL camera, FPV monitor, motor holder, and provides clear image with no latency. F121 works with RadioLink 8-channel handle transmitter TAS and R8 SM receiver with stable signal and control distance up to 1.3 miles in the air. So, how to win the gift? What you need to do is 1. To be a subscriber of RadioLink. 2. Like this video and leave one comment in this video. The comment should add hashtag RadioLink. Your comment could be why you like RadioLink products, which model from RadioLink you want to get, or some suggestions for RadioLink. No duplicate comment, please. And you can also share the video with your friends. The comment of this video will be closed in 5 days. It means we will announce the winner of the giveaway on our YouTube channel in 5 days. It is on December 20th. By the way, if the delivery address is in a remote place where it cannot be shipped to, the gift cannot be exchanged for cash. Hope you could understand. So good luck to everyone.